Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Momo gravy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 medium tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and 2 green chilies. Also, have your cumin powder, turmeric, and a pinch of red chili powder ready. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, then add 1 finely chopped onion and 2 slit green chilies. Once your onions are translucent, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Sauté this mixture for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Next, add your 3 chopped tomatoes. Cook these down, stirring occasionally until they are very soft and mushy, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This creates a rich, flavorful foundation for your gravy. Now it's time to add the spices. Stir in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of red chili powder for a little kick. Mix everything well. Then, add about 1/4 cup of water to help the spices bloom and create a smoother consistency. Let the gravy simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. For a super smooth gravy, you can blend it using an immersion blender or transfer it to a regular blender. If you prefer a slightly chunky texture, simply mash it with the back of a spoon. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Finally, garnish with fresh chopped cilantro. Serve this delicious, homemade Momo gravy hot with your favorite Momos. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.